For more than 100 years, GERB cares for increasing comfort and protection against vibrations, structure-borne noise, and natural disasters. The GERB Group provides full service, from design and conception in our engineering departments over the production facilities in many countries and installation of our elements worldwide.
GERB develops and delivers technical solutions to control vibration levels in buildings, bridges, and diverse structures, allowing architects and engineers more freedom in design. Disturbing impact or even damage from machinery, transport systems, or natural disasters can effectively be reduced by suitable vibration control systems. For most of the applications, specific solutions are continuously tested and improved before installation. In recent years, new vibration requirements have been observed in building and trackbed applications, and today we are working in a global network and have significant experience to face these challenges, especially in big cities around the world. To ensure we continue to meet our high-quality standard in these complex projects, we have put a lot of effort in research and development. We are convinced that reliability and security play a very important role for all of our customers and partners.